Hi, I'm working out in the bush today. We've got this great big hole in the road here. We've got a river over there and a little creek there, so we're putting a culvert through. There was one here originally, but it was not laid as deep as it needed to be because these rocks are in the way. So we're fixing that today. We're going to load this up with det cord and blow it up and then put the pipe in. Okay, the shot's drilled and loaded, and I've just made the executive decision we're not going to cover it, it's going to be self-extracting, so it's going to make a good bang. There's 20 holes there. I think that should give them a bit of a surprise how loud it is. There we go, mission accomplished. My work here is done.